Hi, I'm Tanya from Zart, and this year I'm one of the judges in the Zart Student Art Competition. This year's theme is This is My Environment, and opening dates are the 1st of June 2022. So what does the theme mean, This is My Environment? So we're thinking it might be something in your imagination, it might be an environment that you wake up in every day, it might be while you're playing sport, or perhaps somewhere where you might visit on a holiday. So there's absolutely any opportunity to create your own environment. So here's some examples. Perhaps it's a 2D texture drawing, or a 2D pen and ink, or maybe a pastel, or perhaps collage. These all show different environments. And how about some 3D options? So we have 3D sculpture, 3D modelling, or maybe some 3D construction. And don't forget some 3D textiles. So as you can see, there's so many ways that your students can express their environment. So I look forward to seeing your entries in the Zart Student Art Competition.